Hi, my name is Poonam and today my topic is green computing. What is green computing? Green computing, or we can say that green IT or ICT sustainability, refers to environmentally sustainable computing or IT. It is the study and practice of designing, manufacturing, using and disposing of computers, servers and associated subsystems such as monitors, printers, storage devices and networking and communication systems effectively and efficiently with minimal or no impact on the environment. The goals of green computing are similar to green chemistry: reduce the use of hazardous materials, maximize energy efficiency during the product's lifetime, and promote the recyclability or biodegradability of defunct products and factory waste. Research continues into key areas such as making the use of computers as energy efficient as possible and used to denote efficient use of resources in computing. Green computing, the study and practice of efficient and eco-friendly computer resources, is now under the attention of not only um, environmental organizations but also businesses from other industries. In recent areas, companies in the computer industry have come to realize that going green is in their best interest, both in terms of public relations and reduced cost. As with any evolving ideas, people will need to think differently and more deeply when it comes to green computing. It is not usual, for instance, for companies to replace their older computers into new, more efficient to become more earth friendly. We need computing and networking environments that support many forms of accountability. But we also need to understand how to construct systems with interfaces simple enough to be usable, yet capable of supporting the kind of security policies we employ intuitively every day. Now, some common green computing practices, including like turning off the monitors when it's not in use, or using more energy efficient monitors like LCDs instead of the traditional CRT monitors, volunteer computing, or file sharing practices, using more energy efficient and less noisy cooling systems like using liquid cooling systems instead of the conventional heat sinks and fans, temperature maintenance and regulation to reduce thermal shock, wear and tear of computer parts, and increased online security measures through the use of firewalls, anti-spyware, and antivirus programs to reduce the increased amount of e-waste on the internet and on other computers. Now, carbon emission control has been a key issue for many companies for who have expressed a firm commitment to sustainability. Dell is a good example of a company with a green image, known for its free worldwide product recycling program. One of the best practice is to reduce the carbon footprint of users, the amount of greenhouse gases produced, measured in units of carbon dioxide. Greenhouse gases naturally blanket the earth and are responsible for its more or less stable temperature.